Hi, this is Baldeep. Today is September 18, 2021. It's been 54 hours since I got my surgery of my rotator cuff. Like I mentioned in the previous videos, what kind of surgery I had. So maybe you guys know what kind of surgery I had. So today I'm gonna talk about that. How did my yesterday went? How was I feeling today? How much pain I had yesterday night? How much pain I had today. So last night, yesterday day was fine. I had no pain because my nerve blocking thing is still working. But I was still taking um, Tylenol and Motrin combined together or separate, every 4 to 6 hours. So like 2 tablets Tylenol and 2 tablets Motrin every 2 hours, every 4 hours or 6 hours, depending on. In the nighttime, I was taking acetaminophen, which is called Norco. So last night around 5 a.m. I had a lot of pain, so I had to take Norco and combined with 3 tablet Motrin. So I have I was able to sleep like after 2 hours of taking all these medicines, and my what do you call it, my nerve blocking thing is right here, which I promise you that I will show you. It has some numbers on this screen. When they discharged me from the hospital, it was set to 4, but as time going by, I had set it to 6 now. Maybe tomorrow I need to set it to 8 so it can give more medicine to the nerves so I don't feel that much pain. Overall is okay. Only here I feel just like my shoulder is kind of falling down. That's the only feeling I have right now. So even though the sling is there and the nerve blocking is there, so I was tired sitting home today all day. And what else? So I decided to walk a little bit. With the walking, every time you take a step, this thing feels like it's kind of falling down from here. So I think my nerve blocking thing is kind of wearing off. So maybe I need to increase the medicine from 6 to 8 now. So, and another thing I want to mention here, that by taking all these medicines, you become too much constipated. So I have taken this, and I have taken milk of magnesia as well, and your stomach becomes like nauseated. So I have taken this medicine to bring the acid level down. This is a very good medicine. You can take it whenever you want to bring your like to bring your acid levels down. And I have been taking the Gas X. It's for gas, because your stomach is kind of very bloated. So what else? So Norco, I'm taking only in the night times. One tablet before I go to bed, and one like in the middle of night. You wake up after 6-7 hours, then you take one more tablet. So that Norco I'm taking only in the night time. I don't take Norco in the daytime. So my sling is still there, and what else? So today's day 3. It's been 54 hours since I've been discharged from the hospital. Actually 54 hours since they finished my surgery. So like 50 hours since they discharged me from the hospital. What else?
Are you having more pain today than yesterday?
Today I'm having pain here because I was walking slowly in my yard, so it's little bit pain, but it's a mild pain, just like somebody stabbing something, that kind of pain. The pain is still there, but it's not a severe pain. I'm not dying of it, but the pain is still there.
Can you move more of your fingers today than yesterday?
My fingers has more more motion. Sorry for my clothes because I'm wearing so many things, as you can see. So fingers has little bit
Motion.
more motion. Yes. My arm has more feelings today than yesterday. Yesterday it was more numb. Today it's kind. I can feel my thumb today, but yesterday I was not able to feel my thumb. So that means the nerve blocking medicine is wearing off.
Did you take more Norco last night than previous night on the first
No,
night
I
of your
took the
surgery?
same amount Norco last night and the very first night. One Norco just before go to bed, one in the after 6-7 hours early in the morning I took Norco. I did not take any more Norco. I did not take any Norco in the daytime.